Welcome to another video by Team Matcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing a question from the chapter Motion in a Straight Line. So the question is, a person is running at his maximum speed of 4 meter per second to catch a train. When he is at 6 meter from the door of the train, it starts moving with a constant acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Find the minimum time he takes to catch the train. So basically we have a train here. So a person is running with a maximum speed of, this person is running with the maximum speed of 4 meter per second to catch the train. So the velocity of the person is equal to 4 meter per second, correct? So when he is 6 meter away from the train, train starts moving, correct? Train starts moving. Since trains starts moving, that means it is starting from its initial velocity. So from the rest, so initial velocity is 0. So it is moving with an acceleration of, the acceleration will be equal to 1 meter per second square. So what is the minimum time in order to catch the train? So if you assume that t is the time taken by the person in order to catch the train, means since he is traveling with a speed of 4 meter per second, so the distance covered by distance covered by the person, that will be equal to his velocity or velocity into time, correct? What is the velocity? Velocity is 4 into time, we don't know, that is equal to 40. So the distance covered by the person, so let it be dp, distance covered by the person is equal to 4 into t. In the same way, the train is also moving. The distance covered by the train at the same time. So the distance covered by the train will be equal to S is equal to ut plus half at square. Since it is starting from the rest, its initial velocity is equal to 0. 0 into t plus half into acceleration is given as 1 into t square. That is t square by 2 is the distance covered by the train. So distance covered by the train, that is equal to t square divided by 2. See, if this particular person has to catch the train, mean he needs to cover the distance traveled by the train plus additional 6 meter, because there is initially there is a separation of distance between the train as the person as 6 meter. So the distance traveled by the person will be equal to distance covered by the train plus 6, that is 40 will be equal to t square by 2 plus 6, correct? So if you simplify it, you can write it as 4t is equal to t square plus 12 divided by 2. If you take it to the other side, 8t is equal to t square plus 12. That means t square minus 8t plus 12 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We need to solve this particular quadratic equation. So we can approach it in two ways, either splitting the middle term or what I can say by using the quadratic formula. So basically, if you take on multiplication you need to get 12. On addition, you need to get minus 8. If you want to get minus 8 on addition, multiplication you need to get 12, mean both should be negative number. That means minus 6 and minus 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Minus 6 into minus 2 is 12. So minus 6 plus minus 2 is minus 8. So what we can write? This can write as t square minus 2t minus 6t plus 12 equal to 0. If you take t from the first two term, t is equal to t into t minus 2 minus, if you take 6 common, minus 6 common, you will get t minus 2 equal to 0. Now you can take t minus 2 common, t minus 2 into t minus 6. T minus 2 into t minus 6 equal to 0. If a into b equal to 0, either a should be equal to 0 or b should be equal to 0. That will be t minus 2 equal to 0. That is t equal to 2 seconds. T minus 6 equal to 0 or t is equal to 6 seconds. That means either time should be equal to 2 seconds or 6 seconds. We know that they are asking for the minimum time. So the minimum time will be equal to 2 seconds. So the answer will be 2 seconds. Or you can solve this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. T square minus 8t plus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to minus b. that is minus of minus 8 plus 8 plus or minus square root of b square will be equal to 8 square minus 4 into 12 into 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 8 square is 64 minus 14 into is equal to 48 divided by 2, that is 8 plus or minus 64 minus 48 equal to 16 divided by 2, that is 8 plus or minus 4 divided by 2, that is 8 plus 4 divided by 2 or 8 minus 4 divided by 2. This is 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. This is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. So the time will be equal to either 6 seconds or 2 seconds. So the time will be equal to 6 seconds or 2 seconds. So we will choose the minimum time, that is equal to 2 seconds. Hope the video is useful. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.